Okay, this is part 2 of my repair of the door latch for my 1997 Toyota 4Runner. And what happened was I couldn't open the back door, and I just would squeeze the handle and nothing would happen. And I noticed something was going on for a while. And in my first video I showed you how I was able to access this panel and take all this apart. So now I'm going to show you what I found, and basically it just needs to be lubricated. And so the way I got my door open finally was just I put the window down and just reached through and just kept levering the top latch here, pushing on that, and finally it opened. And so once I got this opened, then I could get down here, and this was bolted in place with 3 bolts and 10mm bolts. And so then I removed that and carefully pulled this apart. And then once you do that, you can see there's a cable here, and so I sprayed it now with lithium. But this is the latch that you have to move up, and so when this is closed, this latch will go like that, and that's closed. Well, then to open it again, you either with the actuator from the key, or you pull up on this manually using the latch. That activates this cable, and that will pull up this lever. And when you pull that up, did you see how this dropped back down? So I'll push it back up again, show you that. That's up there, and then you push this up and it comes back down. So I just sprayed it full of lubricant. This looks okay, and there's then with the window up now I can access all the rest of this, and you can see from the latch over here there is this bar, and so when you raise the bar this gets moved, and then it actually moves the cable here. And I imagine if yours cable is broken, or this is broken, or some clip is on there, your repair will be different. But looks like all I have to do is lubricate this up. Everything else seems to be working okay. So I looked around, nothing seems to be out of order. So that's what we're going to do, is we'll put this all back together, lube it up first and put it all back together, and hopefully you will have as easy a time. It didn't take me long, it only took me about 20 minutes or so. Good luck.